Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Notion homepage aesthetic. First, begin by establishing a clear and organized layout. Think about using a 2-column or 3-column structure to neatly arrange your blocks. Incorporate subtle dividers to visually separate different sections, which helps in creating a sense of order. A minimalist design often works best, ensuring your homepage remains functional and easy to navigate without feeling overwhelmed. Next, elevate your homepage with engaging visual elements. Select custom icons for your pages and add appealing cover images that reflect your style. You can find many free resources online for these. Integrate useful widgets, such as a live weather forecast, a stylish clock, or an inspiring quote of the day, to add dynamic flair. Remember to stick to a consistent color palette across your entire page for a harmonious and polished appearance. Now, let's dive into deeper personalization. Experiment with custom fonts and text styles to give your headings and important text a unique character. This can make your page feel more like your own. Develop custom templates for pages you use often, like daily planners or project trackers, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Also, consider adding a dedicated section for inspiring quotes or daily affirmations to keep your motivation high. Finally, maintaining an aesthetic Notion homepage requires ongoing organization. Make it a habit to regularly review and archive any old or unused pages to prevent clutter. Establish a clear and consistent naming convention for all your pages and databases, making everything easy to find. Utilize toggles to hide less frequently accessed information and link related databases to create a powerful, interconnected, and beautiful workspace.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.